So it's going to go through a process here. You can see them on the Jack's Tyres and Auto website, which is jackstyres.com.au. Now these guys, when you put the rego in, you'll see my rego there, which is 107AX5 in Queensland. When I click search, so it's going to show me there, that's my rego. LDV Pro Pickup MY17 Turbo Diesel, tyres, wheels, and servicing. So if I go tyres, it should show my tyre size. So standard fitment for that vehicle is a 245/65 R17. Now you can do optional fitments, which is a 255/65 R17. If you do go to a different rim size in the 18s, you'd be a 255/60/18. Again, if you went to a 20, which I don't know why you want to go 20s for a, let's come up there. You're going to go 20s for a four-wheel drive. You're just going to blow tires all the time. But it would be a 255/50/20. So standard fitment, 245/65/17 there. Now there's options there. So there's AT all-terrain, HT is highway terrain, all-terrain and a hand cook there. There's all the pricing. So when it comes to sizing, so the 245, you may not know. 245, click on here. So it's the section width is the maximum width in mils from sidewall to sidewall. So what they're saying is 245 from here to here. Now the ratio, which is 65, aspect ratio is the sidewall height expressed as a percentage of the maximum section width. So what they're saying is 65 is the height, which is 65% of 245 is your sidewall height. Does that make sense? And then diameter is obviously your rolling diameter, which is the wheel size expressed in inches. And the wheel size is 17. Now, you might not know, but your load rating for these tires is a 111. So load index is a numerical code that indicates the maximum load that a tire can carry when operating at its maximum speed rating. It is not permissible to fit a tire with a lower load index than that of the original fitment. So if you're not sure of your original fitment, it'll be on your tire placard inside your door generally, but the LDV is 111. The speed rating is a T rating. Speed index is a letter indicating the tire's maximum speed capability when operating at its maximum load carrying capacity. And then run flat tires, no, and they don't have any fuel efficient tires for that as well. So that's the track max. Obviously, there's different tires there, but that's the size. So 245/65/17 is the size you're looking for. 245/65/17 with a 111 load rating and a T speed rating. So I hope that helps if you're looking to change tires in your Ldv T60. The tires that I went for are Maxxis Razor, very aggressive all-terrain, have been really, really great. I actually own a tire shop, so that's why I went the Maxxis Razors. They're pretty. If you're not doing a lot of off-road, you probably don't need to go the Maxxis Razor. If you're just running around town, one of these are fine, entry-level tire. If you want to do a little bit of off-road, you could go to an all-terrain. You look at the AT2s, the Dyna Pros, which are generally well priced. Other options are your KO2s, which you probably don't need to do with an LDV. You're not doing heavy forward driving. And there's a Bridgestone AT697 there, which are $400 a piece, getting up there. And then there's a mud terrain, which I couldn't imagine too many LDVs doing much mud work. And there's your BFG KM3. So again, a 245/65/17 with a 111 rating. Hope that helps.